Immediately, what?
Immediately hammer down.
Instant?
Perfect wind.
Instant action.
4-degree water.
Whoa, just like that.
Stuff's about to go down.
It's about to get messy.
Yeah.
Words straight out of Spencer's mouth. It's about to get dirty. We're back on the smallmouth grind, and this is basically my last chance at a donkey Door County smallie jaw. And rather than, you know, playing it safe, you know, throwing what works, I'm gonna challenge myself today for you guys, because, you know, often I get a lot of people saying, John, we want you to, like, you do something different, step outside your comfort zone. And I'm going to see if I can link this up with a mean smallmouth. This is going to be extremely awkward and messy, but hopefully I prevail. Let's give it hell. So I'm starting the day off with a conehead woolly bugger. This is very similar to what we were catching the fish on yesterday, just a piece of black hair. I don't know if this is marabou. Might be. It kind of feels. Yeah, it feels like marabou. Anyway, this is like about as simple and straightforward as it gets. A little bit of weight, so it sinks down there. It's a really slow sink, which honestly could come to like my advantage today. Just something super ridiculously subtle and you know, finessey in front of their face. I've got this on an 8-weight, a little overkill, but should be fun. See you, bud? Wow, that is a ginormous bed, Spence. Big bed. We're seeing smallies, guys. I'm really optimistic about this whole fly deal. I'm really pumped too. I've literally caught maybe like 4 or 5 smallmouth on a fly rod in my entire life, so this is gonna be a big moment for me. I might get a little giddy, just throwing it out there. Ask that fish if any of his friends want to eat my fly.
Hey, bud, can we talk to you for a second? Gotta have a chat with you for a hot minute.
Yeah.
Your mother or your grandmother, would you go over and eat Bud's fly? That's a fat little guy there. Like,
fatty little hen.
What you want?
Yeah, that's a Chihuahua-sized bass.
Yeah. Can you send it?
Yeah, full send back in the water. Peace. On, hooked up, big browns. Actually feels decent. I'm just taking a quick break from the fly. That's all I'm doing.
Good one.
Yeah, no, it's not bad. It's actually probably one of my biggest ones of the trip. Not bad. Not giant, but not small by any means. Oh yeah, this is definitely my biggest one of the trip. Good one, good one. Yeah. Nice smallmouth. Okay, all right, don't freaking kill me. But I switched to spinning. It's really windy out here. Getting the cast off is definitely difficult. I'm sure most of you skilled fly anglers out there could smoke a cast real easy in this stuff, but I'm still a novice and I want to get in the swing of things. This right here is definitely my biggest smallie. Yeah, like this is a gorgeous fish. There just seems to be bigger fish here. It's like definitely a quality spot. This is my biggest of the trip, not bad. Short and stocky. Look at the belly. Fat brownie going in for the release. Well, see you, buddy. Real fatso. Ooh, get down there. Fierce, fierce fish. You can't deny the smallmouth is packed full of piss and vinegar. Let's go catch some more. Come on, we are in the zone right now. Oh my God, we are so in the zone right now. This has gotta happen.
Here's the thing though, could you feel them if they bit that?
Yeah, I don't know. Because I'm using floating line. Like, look at my line. It's like
maybe your pull, try slowing the pull like a little there, a little forward.
Yeah. So if they do crank it, I got my hand on the line. Oh, that was it. Did you see that?
I saw that.
Did you see that? That was sick. Oh my God. Yeah, no, that was, yeah, no question, you can feel it. All right, it's happening now. Yeah, you guys, this is happening.
Hand spot right.
Oh, that was heavy.
That thing jumped.
Yeah, jumped hard.
I can't believe you didn't get a hook.
I know I can do this, but it's just like, these fish are not easy to catch. Like, first of all, I can't even freaking barely do it on the spinning rod. It is very difficult in that sense, but I'm not giving up. I don't want you guys to see my frustration as like quitting. I'm not quitting. I'm just expressing how freaking angry at these smallmouth I am. This is tough, but it's gonna be so rewarding when I hook up. It's gonna be big. Ooh. Smallmouth fishing with a fly rod on the Great Lakes is not as easy as it really sounds. Like, I get it, I'm not much of a fly angler, but I have caught smallmouth before, and this is not my first time with Lake Michigan. These guys are tricky. I've actually taken off my conehead woolly bugger, and I'm now throwing just the jig. 16 pounds. 16 pounds,
which is probably pretty similar to what you were throwing.
Yeah, probably. It's just a little bit heavier. I am getting bites, but I'm just not fully connecting. But I just want to update you guys that, you know, this is a challenge, but I like it. It's a good challenge. It's just kind of getting on my freaking nerves right now. And if I can crank one on a fly, I'll be pumped. It's going down. You're gonna get eaten, little buddy. Get ready. There's gotta be fish here.
Yeah, that's fine. Yep.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Nice. And what's your name?
Throwing the fly. First cast, the spinning. Hooked up to a smallmouth. I think it's one of those things where it's like, look, it's a dead horse, don't beat it. I mean, if that's what they want, if they want the spinning, if they want it at that pace, then you got to give it to them. It's not a bad one, I don't think. Feels pretty good. I'm trying, you guys. I'm really trying here. Oh God, that's a good one. Big old butterball. Why couldn't you have eaten the fly? Imagine this fish on a fly rod. I would poop my pants. But it's still fun. Scooped it up like a little baby. That is a Great Lakes fish. Check that out. Yes! Oh, like just short and all beef. Look at that beef. That's all Wagyu. 100% free range, baby. All right, going in for the release. We're gonna get underwater on this one. Such a big fish. Okay. Big hookups. I am desperate, Spence.
We're doing something wrong.
Oh, no, definitely doing something wrong. Thanks for pointing that out.
Nope.
F***ing kicker! Kicker! F***ing kickers! God bless it! I love kickers. Oh, come on. You got this. You have this. This is all you. Okay. Come on. I'm on, Spence. I'm on. Woo! Oh my God. I'm hooked up on the fly rod. Oh my gosh. Dude, this feels amazing. Look at that 8-weight. Oh my gosh. We did it. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh, I can't breathe. There he is. There's the smallie. We freaking did. We worked so hard for this fish. You guys have no idea. Get in here, little butterball. That's it right there. At least like what, Spence, 400 casts for this guy right here on the fly rod. Check it out. That's an 8-weight. This is not even a 1-pound smallmouth, and he wrecked me. Such a cool fish, dude. Doesn't matter how big or small they are, they're just so much fun. They're packed full of energy. Look at him, he just doesn't want me to hold him. I think on that note, guys, we're gonna head on in. Mission accomplished. I came here, I caught a Great Lakes smallie on a fly rod, and we caught many more. It's gorgeous. Yes! He's gonna be a 4-pounder someday. Oh, big splash for a little fish like that. On that note, we're heading off. This has been an incredible trip. Again, huge shout out to my buddy Spense for taking me out here and showing me the ways of the smallie jaw. So, as always, folks, keep fishing.